This is an excellent reference book that anyone in the fire or emergency services should have in their personal library. Worth the investment. I ordered this book and it appears to be exactly what is required for the online courses, however, I did not take the online course. Will be selling it to someone else. Arrived well protected and it was a new product. There was only slight water damage on the opening page, but it was nothing important. There were a couple typos different from other books but nothing major. Great way to save money. It seems to be a great tool to go with the book, Building Construction for the Fire Service. However, I did not use it as I found out I ordered the wrong books. Click link in description for more reviews.